Hey guys, how we doing? It is July 1st, a brand new month of trading here. Let's see if we can get this account over $10,000 this month, get some profit, maybe take it out, and maybe go on another trip to Pismo Beach. That's kind of what I'm personally saving for. In the comment section, add up, what are you guys actually trying to make crypto money for? Is it to pay off your house, to get a better lifestyle, more relaxed? What are you guys doing? So along with that comment, okay, we're gonna go over some news here. This is very good news today, actually, for ADA, but let me just pose this question real quick to you guys. For this channel, I mentioned this the other day, I'm covering like 16 to 17 currencies on the actual website of tradeconfident.io, and here's my thought. I'm thinking about reducing this to maybe 7 to 8 so we can stay really focused on it and just take profit out of 7 to 8 different currencies. It basically, when our attention is focused on just the top 7 or 8 currencies, our bandwidth isn't like pushed off to a lot of coins. Now there can be profit made on every single one of them. I understand, I'm not trying to be rude by this by any means, but I understand like there might be some tokens where you're like, oh, I like the logo of it, I like the color of it. Some of you guys are new, you hear a friend that likes it and you like it as well. I'll be honest with you guys, like you can make a ton of profit just trading the top 5 to 6 currencies because a lot of them are around the same price, and Bitcoin does fluctuate all of them actually pretty close to the same amount. Obviously the percentages are different, but the price structures are quite the same. So if you guys were to say, Travis, I want you to cover these top 8 coins, what would the top 5 to 8 coins be? And if you don't want to do that long of a list, just give me your 2 to 3 coins that you're like, if you could put these coins, if you could give me metrics for these coins like I'm showing you up here, what would they be? Just shoot me out the top 3 to 4 if you guys want, and that'll be awesome. Okay, breaking news is coming. I promise. The trend dashboard, the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, they go up in like 4 hours. All these prices go up. Click the link in the description over at tradeconfident.io. The indicators are right over here. It's the last day, guys. All these are going up $25 to $50 literally within the next 45 hours. 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is when they all go up. All right, the crazy news. This is really good news, guys. Cardano 88 launches on the Nexo platform. This is awesome. So let me take a look at this. Let's get this out of here real quick. So on Wednesday, June 30th, the Cardano community finally got the good news. I'm going to say good news. Got the news that it had impatiently been waiting for. Cardano 88 has been integrated with the financial service of crypto startup Nexo, which is one of the largest providers of crypto-backed loans. Okay, this is very important. Nexo lets you buy crypto using fiat, using USD, EUR, GBP, earn interest on your fiat or crypto holdings. That's really cool. A lot of people like earning interest or staking and such like that. Borrow fiat using crypto as collateral. This is interesting down here though. Blockchain organizations like Nexo and Cardano have a lot of potential to give each other in a serious leg up in digital finance. And it thrills me to see that happening. Take a look at this though. Nexo's business creates added utility for ADA, reducing selling pressure. That is big for us who are in Cardano. I am in Cardano right now. The reduction of selling pressure means there is a greater chance that this could possibly see easier moves up. I didn't say that it's going to keep going up, but it's easier moves going up and a little bit harder moves going down, okay? That's what this is correlating to. Boosting its value and creating an influx of users, including people who might just be starting out in the crypto space. Okay, so I like this because it's easing off the selling pressure, reducing the selling pressure. It's opening up to more wallets and actually just money out there. And it's just more exposure. This is very good news for Cardano, guys. The more, exchanges and more of these platforms start picking up Cardano and it's exposed, like the main word here is exposed to more hands and more money, it's going to be doing nice. Like Cardano is still sitting very nicely. I think at the moment it's number 5 on the coin market cap. I could be wrong about that, but I think it's very close to number 5. DOGECOIN actually did pass Cardano, and now actually DOGECOIN is underneath Cardano at the moment. So what are we looking at here? Like that's really good news. Could we see a pump up? I do think that is possible with that news. A lot does ride on Bitcoin though, so that's why I look at these metrics every morning. If you guys are coming over here looking at the metrics on Bitcoin, this is completely free. I eventually will be charging pretty soon here for these metrics because I'm going to do some updates that I think you guys are really going to like. But the long versus the short trades, we don't have really any selling pressure in the market, and we're seeing the long trades go sideways. Why aren't we, continuing to scream up here and just keep going and keep going? Well, while the market is moving down here, no one's really selling super hard in here. It's basically long trades are staying at an equilibrium, which gives me confidence that we could start seeing a move up, and we're not just going to shoot down here very fast. When I get a little bit nervous in here is when we start seeing the price move up like this, and then we see the long trade starting to drop off real fast. Like that makes me nervous, and that's when we saw really big drops in the market. This is what you need to watch out for. If you guys are going to use this for one thing every single morning, watch the correlation and the divergence between the price moving up and the long trades moving down. That tells you that there's nothing backing this move up. Everyone is taking their long trades out. If you ever get long trades going down and short trades going up and the price going up, like not financial advice, but that puppy's going to tank, okay? Let's go over the emotional index real quick. So a lot of people looking in the market are kind of at a little neutral to anxious section right now. A lot of anxiety kind of pushing into the Bitcoin market because we've started to head down here. I think people expected to move up faster than this. Well, let's take a look at something here. The death cross is currently sitting at a positive, so this is definitely a bearish market sentiment. The long trade risk, if you guys are looking to enter any type of trades today, it is sitting at neutral. So some of you guys might be like, okay, well, I think I want to get in because there's good news. I'm going to tell you guys that historically we have seen the best jumps in price when this blue line metric moves down into the good long trade or the great long trade section, okay? Great long trade saw a huge spike here. We saw a huge spike here. We saw a huge spike, ridiculous spike there. This one definitely got oversold, just kept going down. We all know about this dip. But then we saw a very nice move up here as well. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 out of 6 times this indicator has called the long trades like very well. So if you guys are looking to, look at past historical data, it's not necessarily the greatest time to enter a long trade at the moment. I'm currently still managing the trade. That's why I'm in here. But I just want to point that out. If you do, however, look to get into long trades or you're currently in there, this is good news for crypto market as a whole, where institutional and long money are looking long right now. We are seeing this institutional long money saying, hey, we want to buy this dip. We see we have a big move down. This is what we want to do. So we've seen this before when all the fear is in the market. You guys are getting really scared. The institutions are coming and they are buying your guys' fear like crazy, and they're driving the price back up. Well, that's exactly what's happening here. We see high levels into the 600 to 1,000 level over here. I've told you guys to watch that level is 600 to 1,000 over to the left side here. When we hit that, historically, it's a place where we see nice pumps in the market and we start moving back up. And that is what I'm expecting to see here is if we can get a push back up, that would be really nice. But if we can get longer, basically, I'll make it really simple. If the orange line here, the metric, can start pushing higher, showing more long trade sentiment in the market, this will be a great place to look to get in and start making money to go back up, okay? If for any reason this starts dipping down into the short trade section like it did down here, this is not a place where you guys want to be looking to take longs. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but historically, when we see big shorting pressure in here, the price does not go up. It drops and it drops and it drops like crazy, okay? So get on the sides of the Wells and institutional smart money of buying the dips and buying the fear, and selling the greed, and that's what you guys can use this chart for every single day. All right, wrapping the video up, guys. I'm hoping to get into the profit here, maybe through this weekend, maybe Monday or Tuesday, we'll actually see some profit, but I'm watching it on a daily basis with you guys here. So God bless you. Have an amazing day. The trend dashboard, the price versus the wild money flow, the trend exhaustion indicators are on sale. They literally end in like 5 hours here. Use this to gauge the sentiment of the retail traders. Right now, most people are probably going to be looking short. 4 out of 6 indicators are showing a bearish market. So we have a high, a low, a lower high. We could try to maybe push a lower low here, and that's kind of giving us a signal that most retail traders are looking to go short today, all right? The price versus the wild money flow, we see in here that the price started to move up here going sideways while money was flowing out. This is a sign that we could possibly start moving back down. So if this green wild money flow line starts moving down very fast here with the price structure moving sideways, that means money is not following the price structure. Okay, the money is not following the price structure. If price structure in pink goes sideways or even moves up here a little bit and this green line moves down, not a good sign for the market, okay? So I just want to point that out to you guys. Watch over here. You see the price moving sideways and then you see money completely dropping out of the market. Well, that's what happens when you get drops is the price and the money flow do not correlate positively. The trend exhaustion, if this gets up in here to top red zone again, that's where I expect to see another drop in the market. We're not there yet, but watch that. If you guys are looking to buy the dips, down here was obviously a great spot, but if you're dollar cost averaging into all these positions, down here when this white line gets to the bottom red section, these are great places to buy the dips. You know, make 10 to 20%, exit your trade, or just hold for the long term, and that helps you get into the lowest prices for crypto, and you can use this on any single cryptocurrency that you guys want. Actually, stocks and Forex as well, but I specifically have these for cryptocurrencies because that's what this channel is all about. All right, guys, hope you have a good one. I'll see you in the next videos that I come out with on Friday. God bless you guys. The indicators, like I mentioned, go up here in literally about 4 to 5 hours, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Snag them, get them on your chart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.